Good afternoon, kids. Congratulations for reaching the round 2 of our Debate Express, right? So, you know the rules already, right, kids? So, the rule is that for 90 seconds you'll be speaking, and after that, I'll be saying time out, okay? After 90 seconds, any of the contestants can ask one question, okay? We will be taking one follow-up question, okay? Once the once the question is done, then we'll move on to the next speaker, okay? Make sure you are listening keenly and ask appropriate questions. Make sure that you're taking notes, what you need to ask. Frame your question concisely, right? Okay, so let me tell the topic that we are going to have. Any guesses? What topic you want?
Ma'am, I was just doing that for
Ma'am,
life.
I wanted the topic about mobile phones.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so great. The topic, everybody just listen keenly. The topic for today is talent is innate. Everybody got that topic? Talent is innate. And we will meet exactly at 3:10. What you can do is you can put off your camera, revise your points, be confident about it. Just go through the points and don't worry. Okay. Anybody has any questions before we proceed?
Can you type the order in the chat?
Can you type the?
Order in the chat. Like
Okay,
who
I'll
goes-
call out the order, so don't worry. I'll call out the order. Okay? Great. Okay, so the first one we have is Navya. She's going to speak for the topic.
Yeah.
Yes, Navya, your time starts now.
Good afternoon, judges, my worthy opponents, and the audience present with us today. I am Navya Thapia from Delhi Public School, Pune. Today, I would like to use this opportunity to present my views for the motion. There should be talent is innate. Talent is a natural skill which is inborn. Talent is something that is naturally given to you rather than something which is taught. You cannot teach talent, and I firmly believe that talent is innate. Talent is born, not made. I could give you numerous examples of how people have become successful just because of their innate talent. For example, to be good singer, you need a beautiful voice. You could undertake a lot of training, but if your voice is coarse, then it's no point. As to complete, talent may not be exclusive secret to mastering the skill, but it's a huge advantage, and sometimes it just gives you an extra edge. Be it hard work, training, or determination, nothing, I repeat, nothing can beat talent. With this, I rest my case here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Navya. Shrikar has a question for you. Shrikar, please go ahead.
Does that basically mean a person can sit around on a couch just because they have talent and expect that they'll be a famous singer or a famous dancer?
Well, no. If you have talent, you always need to practice it, or the talent will slip away.
Navya, I
Okay.
also have a question.
Shaurivardhan, we'll have to wait, one question per participant. Okay?
Oh, sorry.
The next person we have is Shrikar. Shrikar, please go ahead. You are against the topic.
Hello everyone, my name is Shrikar and I'm going to talk against the topic. Is talent innate? Someone as great as Einstein undoubtedly had talent. But would this talent have gotten anywhere if he just sat around on a couch all day? No, he put in loads of hard work to make his name in history for every aspiring generation. Talent is an inborn quality that gives you a smart way to achieve. And talent is futile unless if someone works for it. One should never sit on a couch expecting for a good result. Just because you have talent doesn't mean you have to be at the start of a team. Hard work beats talent any day. Hard work beats talent when talent fails to work hard. If one is not willing to put in the hard work to their harvest and cultivate their talent, then that talent itself is essentially useless. Hard work and perseverance will beat pure talent every day. Therefore, if talent and hard work both go hand in hand to provide better results. If you're lucky to be born with talent, with the brains of a capable idea for motivation, a true genius with motivation, here is where the hard work comes into play. An idea, a vision, or a dream. But it takes 99% of that as hard work to become a reality. Talent.
Okay, time out, Shrikar.
Okay, ma'am, I'd like to conclude my statement.
Yeah, sure.
In conclusion, I'd like to say that always strive to make conscious efforts to use your talent and hard work in a systematic manner to get better results. Talent is a word to acknowledge hard work. So maybe talent and hard work are not two separate things in our minds, but they are different. Thank you.
Okay. Anybody has a question for Shrikar? Okay, Shaurivardhan, please go ahead. Shaurivardhan, please unmute yourself and then go ahead.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Oh.
please go ahead.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I think I raised my hand for the wrong thing. I want my team to win. I'm sorry.
Okay, anybody else has a question? Okay, let me ask you a question, Shrikar, that you told hard work will be a step ahead. Okay, hard work will take you a step ahead even if you don't have a talent. So can you elaborate how Shakuntala Devi was much better than others?
Ma'am, Shakuntala Devi of course was born with talent, but Shakuntala Devi practiced her talent. Is that right? She practiced her talent of calculating big numbers, square roots and cube roots in her mind. Is that correct, ma'am?
Okay. She didn't go through any formal education. So whatever practice she had, I think, was through the shows.
But she did practice, right, ma'am, for those shows?
Yes. Yes.
That's considered hard work, right, ma'am?
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Shrikar. Thank you. Next we have Mahima. Yeah, Mahima, please go ahead. You are for the topic.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mahima Khirad, and I'm speaking for the topic talent is innate. Author Aldous Huxley says there is no substitute for talent. Industry in all its virtues are of no avail. Talent is defined as a natural ability to be good at something, especially without being taught, and the definition itself implies that talent is innate. Law of Inheritance by Gregor Mendel states that traits are passed from parents to offsprings. Can you be as smart as Isaac Newton or Albert Einstein just by learning? Can you increase or decrease your IQ as you wish? The answer is no. Talent cannot be bought or taught. If it could, there would be many more composers like Mozart in the world. I would like to give an example of one of the most famous characters of Mahabharata, Abhimanyu. He learned how to get past the Chakravyuh and defeat in Subhadra's womb itself. Thank you.
Okay. Anybody has a question for Mahima? Come on, guys. Please go ahead. Shaurivardhan, this time you're sure you have a question?
Yes.
Okay, please go ahead.
The example that you gave of Abhimanyu, Mahabharat, can you give any real world example, because that is purely theoretical and mythological? If you have any real world example, please.
Mahima, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, I'm sorry. Yes,
Yeah, please go ahead.
Few more examples are India's Gan Kokila Lata Mangeshkar, great mathematician Ramanujan, Sant Jnaneshwar Maharaj, Einstein, and Picasso are some of the examples.
Yes, but unfortunately, Picasso wasn't born with a paintbrush. He did have to practice a
Okay. Thank you, Shaurivardhan. Thank you, Mahima. A good set of questions and arguments coming in. Great to see such kind of enthusiasm in the debate. Great. Okay. So next, Shaurivardhan, it's your turn only. Please go ahead. You're against the topic, right?
Hello, teachers and my opponents and my teammates. My name is Shaurya, and today I want to talk against the notion talent is innate. Some people, some things, such as football, singing, or even painting. And once you practice enough, you can turn that into a skill, you can turn into a talent. Talent can be cultivated by passion, practice, motivation, patience, and practice. To an example of our 11th president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born in Tamil Nadu to a poor family. His father was a boat owner, and young Kalam used to sell newspapers to support his family. He became the Missile Man of India, the chief scientific advisor to the Prime Minister, and he Padma Bhushan, the Padma Vibhushan, and the highest civil award, the Bharat Ratna. And he has received 48 doctorates different colleges from India and abroad. His autobiography, Wings on Fire, translated in 13 languages, including French and Chinese. I can tell you more such stories of successful people who were born as a common person, and they kept cultivating their talent to grow up as one of the greatest people in history. But I would like to rest my case here. Thank you.
Arnav, you're muted. Can you please unmute yourself? And then ask the question.
Yes, the teacher, talent can't be developed by itself. How can it be developed by itself?
Shaurivardhan, for you.
See, I will also give the example of Shakuntala Devi. She was never educated. She only went to schools for some shows and to demonstrate her power of maths. But throughout, she never did learn any formal maths, or she didn't learn anything properly. Became one of the greatest mathematicians of India.
Her talent was more.
Okay. Thank you so much, Arnav and Shaurivardhan. Next, we have Arnav, who is going to present his case.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you why talent is innate. Talent is innate. The definition of talent is a natural ability or skill in which a natural is the synonym of innate. So the meaning of innate talent is an inborn gift with a specific activity. Now I'm going to tell you some examples like if someone is born with the innate talent dancing, so not he or not anyone else can force him to win in something else, because his innate talent is of dancing, so he could win in dancing. Another example is of Stephen Hawking, whose innate talent was studying the structure of the universe. but then he got a disease which made him handicapped. But that the disease couldn't stop him to be famous all over the world as he invented new ideas. The results of this example are that if you know your innate talent and put a lot of mind in it, you can do whatever you want. No one can stop you. Now I'm going to tell you a fact which is widely believed. About 3/4 of music educators believe that children can't do well unless they have a special innate gift. How do you know that they have a gift? Because they do well. And there is a saying that if you feel no improvement in your talent, it's not because you lack innate talent, it's because you're not practicing the right way. This is just a saying from James Anderson, an international cricketer. Thank you.
Okay. Arnav, great points. Anybody would like to put a rebuttal to Arnav? Quick, raise your hands. If nobody asks a question, he gets the full points in rebuttal. Okay, Shrikar, go ahead.
Ma'am, everything is correct though, but a dancer being a dancer. But the dancer doesn't know that his talent is dancing. If that's the case, he'll go to another talent. And if he fails in that, how will it be? Like if he feels very serious about it, right?
Can you repeat?
What I basically mean is if a person doesn't like his talent and goes to another talent, he won't do well in that area and he feels very sad about it. Is that correct?
No, a person cannot anytime feel wrong about their talent because his innate talent is of that only, dancing, so he could not unlike that talent. It's not possible.
Okay, thanks a lot, Arnav. Thank you, Shrikar. Now we have Arush. Arush is going to speak against the topic.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, judges.
Yes, please go ahead.
Hello, judges and my worthy opponents. Today, I will be speaking against the motion, talent is innate. First, I would like to start with a quick story. This story is about Colonel Sanders. Colonel Sanders, after having a short stint with the army and an unsuccessful marriage, Colonel Sanders developed a recipe. That recipe was the simple fried chicken. He decided to give it a try by asking hotel owners to give his recipe a try. He constantly tried, but nothing had worked. After the 1009th attempt, yes, 1009, one hotel owner tried it, and that became so famous, and the hotel is what we now know as KFC today. So talent requires commitment, dedication, hard work, perseverance, commitment, and practice. Now I would like to end, and genes can only define things such as diseases, skin tone, body height, etc. They cannot define your talent. Now I would like to end with another story. This story is about Ole and Godfrey, the founders of Lego. Did you know that they had to drive from city to city and sell their own toys? And they had to face 2 burn downs, yet they survived and persevered. They had the dedication to make their company grow, and their company is now what we know today as Lego. So hereby, I would like to conclude this case by saying talent is acquired, not innate. Thank you.
Great, Arush. Anybody would like to refute him? Any questions? Okay, Navya and Mahima, both. I'll let you both question because you haven't asked anything. Okay, so let's have 2 questions for Arush this time. So Navya, please go ahead.
Yes. Arush, why don't you think that I get your point that practice sharpens what you want to do, but don't you think that talent is better?
But you'll have to practice because you'll slowly forget about your talent and you may even not get good at it. You have to practice to try and keep your talent and even improve on it.
Okay, Mahima, please go ahead.
Because you can't be perfect.
Great. Thank you, Navya. Mahima, please go ahead with your question.
Yes, so as you said, that talent can be gained from hard work. So I would like to ask you how a 5-year-old child can sing better than people who spent years of practice and dedication in music.
Because
Okay, try and answer, Arush.
okay.
Okay, no problem. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. I think it was a great inputs that we had. Very good examples that we came across of Lego, KFC, Shakuntala Devi. Then, we went on to a lot of good points why practice is also very important. So I hope that you all will keep hardworking and try to find your passion so that you know what is your innate talent, right? Okay, you need to find what is your innate talent and need to work hard. And when you find that talent, you will be really happy. Right? Okay, so, we are at the end of the debate. The results will be announced on Tuesday. Please make a note that you need to look into the website of Innovation Shuttle to keep looking at the results. It will be announced on Tuesday. You'll be informed of the next round if you are moving on to the next round. Okay? Okay. And you all actually spoke very well, very nicely. You could put on your points. Thank you so much for all your effort.